Hello and welcome. In this session, we'll discover what computer science truly is. We'll start by addressing a common misconception, clarify important definitions, and explore the diverse areas within this field. Now, for the first slide, what exactly is computer science? Before we answer that question, we have to know the common misconception about this. So many people believe that computer science is just about writing a program or writing a code, but this is just a misunderstanding. Programming is one of the tools used in computer science, but not the entire focus. It goes far beyond coding to include both theoretical and practical application for solving a wide array of problems. So, what is the exact definition of computer science? So computer science is fundamentally about computational problem solving. So let us break that down. So what is computational problem solving? So problem solving here, it means we are going to solve a real world problem, and here the computation means we are going to use algorithms, we are going to use computers and logical thinking into solving a problem. So we have this real world problem and we turn it into a solved problem using computer. So this includes a 5-step, which is repetitive step to turn this real world problem into a solved problem. So the first step would be understanding the problem, developing the algorithm, implementing the solution, evaluating the results, and finally redefine the algorithm, and this is an iterative process. The next is the areas of computer science. So it is a very vast field. It is not just one skill or domain. It includes many critical areas such as software engineering, database management, networks, simulation, graphics, cybersecurity, robotics and AI, programming languages, human computer interaction, data mining, computer architecture, and systems programming. So, to summarize, computer science is not just programming. It is a science of it is a science of solving problems using computations and algorithms. So it involves a wide variety of areas, each with its own skills, challenges, and application. Thank you.